Very good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel. I'm in this very small garden, and it's beautiful. And I decided that today I will do it in this small garden. I did not go to the pond park. In fact, I have got 9 videos in line which I have not uploaded. So, in coming days, I will upload them slowly. There will be a mismatch of dates, but I hope you understand. 9 videos in line, and I said, why don't I quickly come to this garden and just give you all a sneak peek how beautiful this is. So this is something like a big structure they have made, which is of no good use. Maybe I don't know what is it for, but the whole garden is very pretty only in the winters. Earlier there was this children park and all that thing. Now they have converted into a very exclusive garden. There's hardly anybody over here. One or two people, only two people. That's my favorite bench. No, there are three. There are two women. People who want to have some peace of mind and just sit here. The aisa. See how beautiful this looks. I said every time it's a pond park. It's around 9:30. Actually, I wanted to get something. I wanted to show you all this. Look at this. Amazing. It looks good. Look at these earrings. So I said, why don't I just come down and give you all a sneak peek of this. I'll keep it pretty short, 5 to 6 minutes, and I'll upload it immediately so that you'll get the feel in the winters. How does it look? It's very beautiful and sunny. Better to come and take some sun bath around this time in this park. It's amazing. As you can see, I'll take a walk. एंड दिस इज़ इन वन कॉर्नर. ओके, ये एक कॉर्नर में है. एंड एज ए सेड, ये मॉर्निंग से शुरू होता है 5 बजे से लेके. पीपल कम डाउन ओवर हियर फॉर देयर वॉक्स, एंड इट्स लाइक अ ट्रैक. नाउ दे हैव मेंटेन्ड इट very well. Earlier it was not so like this. It was a rowdy crowd used to come down, and it's really nice. From here inside this, if you can see, there's this new it's a new building, 22 stories, and just have a look. Early morning 9:30 कैसा लगता है in Mumbai? Awesome. Otherwise it is like it's getting 35 degrees. Now it is, I think, maybe around 27 degrees or so. So this is around 9:30, 9:45. You like my earrings? I just wanted to have one piece of this because this was multicolored and something unique. So I just wanted to lay my hands on it. The Peacock collection has got different, like green, maroon, and black and gold. So I thought, should I buy all 4 of them? Like a collector's item. See, look at this. You like my jewelry? Please let me know. You like my earrings? Do let me know. I wore it on this. Basically, when you're wearing multicolored jewelry, it's always better to have a monotone. Like, as if you're wearing white, then you're wearing this. If you're wearing black or any color which you're wearing, which is monotone. Okay, I'll take you all from behind in a shaded area, and look at this. This looks like the dark bungalows of the 60s and the 70s का movie. कहाँ रहते हैं आप साहिब? Then that hero will say, मैं डार्क बंगलो में रहता हूँ. ये देखो. Look at this. And after that there are new buildings which have come up. I'm telling you, like, we need to repair this, whatever. But it's a nice place. I used to come down here last year, and I used to come and sit on this bench or that bench, one of the benches, and I've shot so many things. December, January, a lot of it, lots. Last year, November, December, January, February, 4 months I used to come down here. And as I said, there's a kitchen out here. You can see behind it's a kitchen. And by 10 o'clock, you'll start getting all that kind of whiffed. By 9:30, you'll start getting the cooking kind of a smell and stuff like that. It's just going to be 5 minutes. See this. Isn't this amazing? You know what I'll do? I'll come a little early around 8:30 and I'll just shoot a couple of things. There are people who come there and sit on the park bench ऐसे या couples come generally alone एक single person आके बैठ जाता है because see this is like very quiet and calm because there's so much of greenery and all that na. I hope you like my video. Please give me feedback. Should I do more videos in this small garden? I'll call it small garden, okay? And yeah, this is the view. 360 degrees view. 360 degrees surrounded by buildings. This road which connects to Chandevli, Sakinaka, अंदर का रास्ता. Seriously, to Powai. So it's very busy. It's hugely busy. But look at this. This is like beautiful garden. Beautiful garden. I don't know why people don't come here and just sit down, all these oldies, and even the housewives, they can come and relax over here. But they will not. ठीक है. Take care of yourselves. Bye. Have a nice day. Blessed day.